Hello everyone and welcome to my second Arduino project. In this project I will teach you how to get rid of these IR remotes and control any device at your home via Wi-Fi, which means you can control your projector, your air conditioner, even you can turn on and off your computer even if you're not at home via Wi-Fi. Okay, so for this project you will need an Arduino Uno, an IR receiver, then an infrared panel which has lots of infrared LEDs. Then you need a breadboard, a little MOSFET, and an ESP8266 that will connect to the internet. And for this project I'm using an LED strip just for demonstrations with its remote. You also need a 9-volt battery or 12-volt if you have one, and all these parts you can get on eBay. I will attach all the parts with the links to get them. So first of all, what we need to do is to copy the IR signals from our remote controls. So we need the IR receiver and the Arduino Uno. We need to connect the signal of the IR receiver to pin number 2 and the voltage to 5 volt and the ground to ground. Then connect the Arduino Uno to your computer. As you can see, it turns on. Then you need to upload the IR receiver sketch. Okay, so the code is very easy. I included the IR library. You need to include the IR remote library so you can use this code. And basically what this code does is receive the IR code from the remote and save it as an IR signal. Okay, so now we will upload the code to the Arduino. We click upload sketch. Then we wait until it uploads to the Arduino Uno. Then after it finishes uploading, we will open serial monitor. As you can see, we open serial monitor. Then we will take our IR remote, point it to the IR receiver and click any button. Let's say red. When I click red, as you can see on the serial monitor, we will get a series of IR signals. As you can see, these are the signals that the IR receiver gets from the IR remote for this button. Then what we need to do is to copy these signals. Control C, copy. Then let's say open Notepad and paste it here. So now we have the IR signal for this button. Now we will save all the buttons that we need. Then I will tell you later what we will do with them. Okay, so as you can see, I saved 6 signals. Red bottom, blue, green, on and off, and brightness up and brightness down. I saved the signals as I showed you, and I will upload this file also with the files that I will attach to this project. Okay, so now after we have the IR signals that we want to use later, now we will build the IR sender that will be connected to the ESP8266 and to the internet so we can control anything that can be controlled by IR via Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, that's how we need to wire all the parts. So let's get started. I have everything here ready. Okay, so first of all we will connect the MOSFET. Here we go. As you can see in the picture, the MOSFET is connected to the battery, the ESP and the IR panel. So let's connect it as it shows in the schematics. Okay, so as you can see, I finished wiring all the parts together. I will upload this photo also, and basically what we did here is connecting the battery to the IR panel, so we don't give too much power to the Arduino and to the ESP8266 and burn it. And that's it. Now, using the ESP8266, we will connect to the internet and control the IR sender, and via the internet we can send IR signals and control anything we want at home. Okay, so this is the code that I'm using to control the LED panel, the IR panel, to control the LED strip. As you can see, the code is pretty simple. I copied the IR signals that we got before and saved them in an array, red array, green, blue, on and off, and every single array has all the signals, as you can see. Then in the loop function, I am connecting to my own website. My own website is www.bisharahallak.com, and basically what I did is save in my website a database with a table and a bunch of PHP pages that I will talk about and upload with all the files that I will attach to this project. And basically what I'm doing is saving in my website, which plays as a server in this project, all the operations that I wanna do. Let's say I wanna send an on and off signal to my LED strip. So inside the website, inside the database of my website, I will save the operation, let's say 0, and 0 turns on the LED strip, and this code and the ESP8266 will connect to my website and go to the database and check what is the current operation to do, and basically do it. Okay, so let's continue. After we go to the PHP page on my website, we will get the operation from the database, and we will save it in line. Then we will get the number of this operation, because I'm sending the operations as numbers. Let's say 1 is on and off, 2 is red, 3 green, and etc. Okay, so if red, if green, if blue, and send the IR code, and that's it. Then we close the connection. One more thing very important. You need to go to Tools, click on Tools, then choose not Arduino Uno. You need to choose here. You need to choose ESP12E, Node MCU. You choose that. Okay, as you can see, when you click Tools again, Here it is. It is very important to choose the right board so you don't burn something. Okay, so now we will connect to the computer the ESP. Here it is. We will connect it to the computer. So after connecting the ESP8266 to the computer, we will upload the code. We hit upload sketch. Okay, as you can see, it's uploading the code to the ESP board. 34%. You can see also the board blinking. Okay, and 100%. So the code is has finished uploading. So now we will open the serial monitor, and as you can see, we are connecting to the website and disconnecting every 3 seconds. And what is basically happening here is that we are connecting to the website, getting the operation that we need to do, and then disconnecting, then connecting again to see if the operation changed. I will demonstrate that in just a moment. Okay, so now what is left is just to connect the 9-volt battery. Be careful. Okay, this is the LED, as you can see, the IR panel. Now we will connect the 9-volt battery. Okay, it is very hard to see that, but as you can see, when I move the IR panel, you can see a little purple light getting out of the IR LEDs. Okay, so now after we connected the battery and we uploaded the sketch to the ESP board, what is left to do is to go to the PHP page, which is bisharahallak.com ESP12 folder interface IR PHP. We hit enter, and here we have these buttons: on, off, red, blue and green. And what is happening here is that when we press on, we will update the database, the table in the database in the site, to be an on function, an on operation, and the ESP8266 will go to the database and check what is the current function operation, and if it is on, it will turn on the LED strip. I will demonstrate it now. Okay, so as you can see, I glued the LED strip on my wall. This is my wall and this is the LED strip, and on the phone I entered the website. Okay, focus. Okay, I can't see that. Okay, here. bisharahallak.com ESP12 folder interface. Okay, so now I have the IR. Oh, now you can see. You can see the lights of the IR LEDs. Okay, now we will point the IR LEDs to the IR receiver of the LED strip. Then I will press on. You can see that. As you can see, there's the on button. I will click on it now and we will see what happens. As you can see, the LED strip guy is on now. Okay, let's say we want a red light. As you can see, there's the red button. I click on the red button and red. Okay, so just so you don't think I'm cheating, this is the IR remote. I will drop it, and then on my phone I will choose green. I will click on green. Then, as you can see, the LED strip is now lighting green. Okay, something is bothering me, and it is the mess we did in this project. And as you can see, the product is not convenient to use with all these jumper wires hanging around. So what I did is creating this box with one hole in it, and what will I do is put all this in the box and the IR LED in this circle, and then we can basically just take the box, and it is wireless, no wires hanging around, nothing, and put it wherever we want and control any object in the room. And if you think about it, we can use it to we can put it in the middle of the room, and we can turn on the computer, turn on the AC, the air conditioner. We can turn on and basically turn on and control everything, let's say in stereo, a projector, anything. So we will put everything in this box. Okay, let's start with the battery and the breadboard. Okay, battery inside. Then we will connect the ESP. Okay, the ESP8266 to a power bank. Then we will put also the power bank inside with the ESP. See, all this mess is going to disappear. Okay, everything is inside. Then we will take this IR LED, and that's it. We will close the box, and now we have a magic IR box that works wirelessly via Wi-Fi, and you can control anything in the room just like that. Okay, I will demonstrate the box now. Okay, for the last demonstration you can't see anything, but basically the box is right there. And let's turn on the LED strip. I click on, and as you can see, it turns on, and the default is green. Let's now choose red. I click red, and as you can see now the LED strip turns red. Okay, so just for improvement, just to prove to you that I'm not cheating, this is the remote, as you can see, and this is my phone. I will click now, let's say blue, and as you can see, I'm not hitting anything on the remote. I'm just hitting the blue on, and as you can see, it turns blue. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and see you in the next project.